My peanut stew is ready. This is like hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Narikxa. For those one new here, karibuni sana. For those who have been here, thank you so much for stopping by. So I'm going out to meet with a friend of mine, just have some good time and all that, and I will take you guys with me. Plus I'll show you like my outfit when I get there because I'm running late. So see you guys there. Thing.
Unaona vile how I look like, ama ukuje hapa unipake
Powder. Sasa at least ingekuwa so guys, we decided like to change the sitting area because the other side we were feeling quite cold. It was too windy, it was blowing up my hair, and my friend was feeling cold too, so we ended up sitting on the other side. So let me show you guys what we're having. We are done having lunch. We are going to check something downstairs. We had there's a Roomba downstairs, so we are going to check it out. Good morning, my people. Welcome back here to another day. So today I'm planning on going like to the salon. I don't know why my hand is so itchy. I'm planning to go to the salon. I want to go and do like my hair. So I prefer to going to the salon so that my salonist can do her thing, since my hair is kind of still fragile, since I had like put chemical on it, but now it has some growth, and I miss doing my hair. Like I miss having something braids. I'm tired of combing it all the time. So I want to just I think I'll do braids or half braids. We're going to decide when I get there. Yeah, and after that then I'll retouch it. So now I was just like applying conditioner, leave-in conditioner, leave-in treatment, not conditioner. I'm done. I've already prepared. Now I've decided like to go and do my nails last minute. So I think I'll pass by to do my two nails. Then I can go like to the salon. Either two. One will come before the other. So yeah, let's head out. So guys, it's around 3 something and I haven't yet gone to the salon. But I'm going now. We are done with what we were looking for and all that. Plus I've had like some good time. Yeah. I'm heading to the salon now because my nails are already done. So there's nothing more. I think I'll do my laundry tomorrow very early in the morning. Then I can be able like to go to my friend's place. Hey guys, this is yet another day. So yesterday I went to the salon and I got my hair done. It's so love it. I'm in love with it. And now I'm just ready. I'm going to town. I'll be passing by Dubois. After that I'll be going like to my friend's place. I think I'll show you guys what I'll be going to buy. So yeah, let's go. Asante pia. Uh-huh. Simu yangu
ilivunjwa na customer yake
pole.
ikaparakasha.
Hello guys, I am finally home. I know I was not able like to show you guys what I got from Dubois, but I just got some few stuff and I wasn't able like to vlog much because there was a lot of commotion over there, and I love my phone so much that I can't risk it. So I got this I got this body scrub. It has a coconut flavor and sherbet, coconut flavor, sherbet body scrub. This is how it looks like, and it smells so nice. I also this one I got from Naivas supermarket, and I was looking for the moisturizer but I was not able to get one. So this is my toner, the one that I always use. Yeah, I was able to get this plus these two exfoliating gloves. I wanted to buy one. In my head I knew it was 100 bob, but when I got there it was 50 bob. The last time I bought this one it was 100 bob. I think that was because I was buying it from the estate, and this one I was buying them from town, so it was 50 bob each. So I decided, let me just get two. One I can be using one I can use it at the gym, and the other one I can use it when I'm just using my body scrub. Yeah, and the previous one I can use it, I always use it for shower. So yeah, I was not able like even to vlog much at my friend's place. Not even to vlog much, I was not able to vlog when I was there because we were having just a good time that I was not even able like to vlog anything when I was there. So yeah guys, I think I'll see you on the next day. Bye. So guys, I'm around Karen, like we have come to buy some stuff as we do some work. So now I was just buying food so that we can have lunch because it's around 1 right now, and I think I'm going just to eat in the car. Let me drop you down fast guys. So guys, we're here in Karen at Rocha Veterinary. Yeah, like they treat dogs around here, so we have come to check my friend's client. Then we head back home. They also sell like dog food and cat food. Let me show. So yeah, if you're around Karen and you want like a place where you can get your dog treated, yeah, this is one of the places. I am back home. I had fun, yeah. So I want to cook dinner now because I know when I sit down I'll not wake up from that seat because I'm tired. I'm extremely tired because I want to cook dinner, take a shower, then I can rest and watch something interesting. So yeah, so let me show you guys like what I'm preparing. So I want to like make boil those sweet potatoes, grind these nuts, then uh cook them. I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that, and I'm just going to use like my blender to grind it. You see, this is how it looks like. This is how I wanted it to be in flour form. So now let me add just some ingredients and let it cook. So the next part is I'm going to cut the tomatoes and the onion, like once all of them. I'm just going to like to just put all of them at once over here, then I'll put water. So what now, I'm just chopping tomatoes plus the onions. I've just added salt and water. Now I'm just going to let it boil like for 25 minutes or less. Yeah, then I put my sweet potatoes, but now I just want to be chopping the sweet potatoes. I'm just going to stir it the way you stir your porridge when you're making it, so that I can prevent it from sticking to the saucepan. After some time I stir it again just like that, then I'm going to remove it. Guys, the food is ready. My sweet potatoes are ready. My peanut stew is ready. This is like one of the main food for like Uganda, so I decided like just to prepare it because I'd really missed it. So yeah, just look. So guys, I know this vlog like it has been like over the place, but anyway, if you've come this far, kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, can give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit that notification button, so just in case I get to upload any video, you get notified. So see you guys on my next video. So ciao.